Dear student, today I will discuss about linear equation in two variable. Any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, comma c are real number and real numbers, and x comma y are variables. Any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and x, y are variable. So now let us start exercise 4. Exercise 4.1. Question number first. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables. Question number first. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. So now solution of this question. Now let cost of a notebook be x rupees and cost of a pen be y rupees. According to question, cost of notebook is equal to twice cost of a pen. So let us consider cost of notebook x is equal to cost of pen y. So twice into y. So x is equal to 2y, or x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is linear equation two variable. So this is answer. Question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form. This is linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b, c in each cases. So now comparing given equation ax plus by plus c. So write in the form of ax plus by plus c. So this is written here 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Now let cos equation first and now put equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is second equation. So now comparing between them, comparing equation first and second. First and second comparing coefficient x, y and constant. So now ax is equal a coefficient of x is equal to a and coefficient of x is equal to 2. This is a is equal to 2. And also comparing y variable. So coefficient of y is equal to b is equal to coefficient of y 3. So b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. So this is answer of given first part. And also now make linear equation. So x minus 1 upon 5 y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now let first equation and second equation given here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is second. So now comparing equation first and second, we get a is equal to, this is now coefficient of x is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 and coefficient of b is equal to minus 1 upon 5 and c is equal to minus 10. This is answer. Remaining part of question number 2. Question number 3rd, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now find coefficient of x and y, find real constant a, b, c coefficient. So now make equation minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let first equation and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, second equation. So comparing first and second equation. So a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 6. And also fourth, make equation x minus 3y is equal to 0. So now comparing ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So equation first and second, also comparing equation first and second, we get a is equal to 1. Now coefficient of x is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to -3, c is equal to not present here. This is now let c is equal to 0. Also make equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. So now first, and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Second, now comparing equation first and second, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0. So this is not present here constant, so c is equal to 0. And also sixth part, so now ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now first and second, so a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 0. So not present in second variable, so this is coefficient of b is equal to 0. Or now let a 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. So now comparing, a is equal to 3 coefficient and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 2. And also make x not present here, so 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now comparing ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now let first and second equation. So comparing first and second, we get a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to -2. So this is answer. So revise it. That's all. Thank you.